This tutorial will show you how to fade in video clips in Capcut PC, online free video editing software, completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, so the first step to fade in a video clip or video clips in Capcut PC is to click or to highlight your video clip, then go to the top right hand screen. In this case, this is what we want to fade in. So again, click and select your video clip in Capcut PC, go to the top right hand screen and then click video and then click basic, which is next to remove BG, and then underneath transform you want to click this and then double tap and then scroll down, and under blend, this is where you can fade in and fade out your video clip. Under opacity, click this right here and drag this to the left. As you can see, our video turns color black, or it's starting to fade out. And then click this to the right of the percentage. It will add a keyframe. As you can see, it added on our video clip. But if you don't want it to be right here, you can click and drag it to the beginning and then go to your video clip where you would like to fade in, and then opacity again, drag this to the right, and it automatically added a keyframe.